Here's a few pieces of Boulder Opal from central Queensland. That piece there's probably from Koroit rules and millimetres. Material's been wetted. Boulder Opal is usually just a film of opal, or a thin seam in the parent material. It's quite often split off larger stones. This is a fairly low grade. Great place to practice starting. Try and learn how to cut it. This piece of Koroit with nice patterns and little pockets of colour in it sometimes, like here. Perhaps if you slice it off at a bit of an angle, you might end up with some better colour. But it is what it is. The price reflects it. I hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.